Happy fall, y'all! My name is Taylor Chu. Today we're doing pumpkin crafts. We are going to be doing a scallop edge pumpkin. I'm not going to lie to you and say this is easy. It was actually quite difficult, but if you're up for a difficult pumpkin craft, then this is for you. You still want the pumpkin to be able to sit and balance naturally, so make sure you only cut out the middle section, right where the stem is. Now I'm clearly not the best pumpkin carver. As you see, I had to cut smaller pieces to get out a big chunk at the end. The nice part is that nobody will see this section, so you can really go at it haphazardly. I hollowed out the bottom of mine so it makes it easier for a candle to sit flat on any table where you display it. And all you have to do is add that candle, light it up, and then enjoy your scallop edge pumpkin. Your neighbors will be wowed. My name is Taylor Chu. Check out my other crafting and baking videos while you're here. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you next time.